Grade 4 Mathematics Measurement, done by Amanda Noglunga Kuswai. Introduction. I will first start by greeting my lecturer. Good day, lecturer. My name is Amanda Noglunga Kuswai. In this reflection, I will discuss the ICT integrated lesson that I designed for grade 4 mathematics. The topic of the lesson was about measurement of length, and I focused on centimeters, meters, and kilometers. The aim was to help learners to identify different units, understand when to use each unit, and help them to apply their knowledge by measuring objects. Lesson overview. The lesson was designed using Bloom's taxonomy to ensure that learners develop knowledge and practical skills. The lesson objectives were to identify and name the units of length, which are centimeters, meters, kilometers. To explain when each unit of measurement should be used. To measure classroom using measuring tools. Introduction activity. For the introduction phase, I used a YouTube educational video about measurement. The purpose of the video was to introduce learners to the different units length in a fun and engaging way. Before playing the video, I asked learners questions about objects they measure every day. While watching the video, learners saw examples of centimeters, meters, and kilometers being used. After the video, I did a class discussion where learners shared what they have learned and answered questions about different units of measurement. The ICT tool used in this activity was YouTube. According to the SAMR model, this activity falls under substitution because the video replaced a traditional teacher explanation while still serving the same purpose of introducing the concept. Development activity. I displayed instruction using a PowerPoint presentation and demonstrated how to use measuring tools in a correct way. Learners worked in groups to measure classroom objects such as desks, books, doors, windows, and the floor. They wrote down their measurement and discussed which unit of measurement was most correct for each object. The ICT tool used in this activity was PowerPoint. According to the SAMR model, this activity falls under argumentation because technology improved the learning experiences, providing visual guidance and structured instructions to make understanding easier. Consolidation activity. For the phase, learners completed an online quiz using Kahoot. The quiz included questions that required learners to identify the correct units of measurement and solve simple measurement problems. The ICT tool used was Kahoot. According to the SAMR model, this activity falls under modification because technology significantly transformed their assessment process through instant feedback and interactive participation. ICT integration. Technology played an important role in developing teaching and learning throughout the lesson. The YouTube video helped the learners visualize measurement concepts. The PowerPoint presentation provided clear instruction and examples, while Kahoot allowed learners to assess their understanding in an engaging and interactive way. The use of ICT increased learner participation, maintained learner interest, and supported different learning styles. It also made the lesson more meaningful and enjoyable for learners. Accommodating different learning abilities. The lesson was designed to accommodate learners with different learning needs and abilities. Visual learners benefited from the YouTube video and PowerPoint presentation. Kinesthetic learners benefited from the practical measurement activities where they could physically measure objects. Learners who needed additional support worked in groups, allowing peer learning and collaboration to take place. This ensured that every learner had an opportunity to participate and achieve the lesson objective. In conclusion, I believe that the lesson was successful in helping learners understand measurement of length. The use of ICT tools made learning more interactive, engaging, and learner-centered. The activities enable learners to develop both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. If I were to teach this lesson again, I will include more real-life examples from learners' daily experiences. Thank you for listening to my reflection.